In this video I'm going to show you how to install the TechT lightning rod. To begin, we need to remove this screw. Set that screw aside. Remove your paddle out of there. Turn it over and remove the 4 base screws. Lift up on the piston housing to pop the base plate off. Pull off the piston housing and set that aside. Remove the nut and the tension guide. Set those aside. You should be able to lift out your ratchet axle and rod. Set your other cyclone paddle aside and the housing aside. What you want to do is pop out this pin that's holding the ratchet and rod together. You can either use a punch or this little guide there. Just pop out just like so. Just pull it out. Remove your piston spring and spring guide. Then set those aside. Now what you want to do is lubricate the lightning rod here with either some sort of grease like white lithium grease, TechT's gun salve, pure lube. Any type of grease would be good. Just coat the end of it here. You want as little friction as possible for it to work correctly. What you want to do, don't forget to put these on. Spring and the spring guide. And simply line everything up. Slide that right in there. You want to make sure that goes down into the plastic far enough. You might need to tap it in. Just make it pretty flush there. And then just reassemble it. Want to make sure you oil this up first. A little seal on the end there. Put your paddles back in. And put your 4 base screws back in. And that's all there is to installing your TechT lightning rod.